Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can ring your missing iPhone from your Apple Watch 7. So if you have misplaced your iPhone somewhere in your home and you could not locate it, you can use your Apple Watch to quickly locate your iPhone by simply make it rings. So on your Apple Watch here, make sure that you go back to the watch face by pressing on the crown button, then swipe up and then tap on this ring button right here or to locate your mobile device. You can see as soon as I tap on it, my phone will start to ring. And once you hear the sounds, you can walk around the house and you can try to locate your iPhone by trying to find out where the sound is coming from. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.